Quite a bit of rain this morning, especially for Smith County in general. From South Tyler to the south near Bullard, Neil, we saw 1 to 3 inches of rain.
Man.
So it was heavy, and as you mentioned, it rained like heck.
Like heck.
Yeah, like heck.
What a heck of a storm.
It really was. Yep, there we go. 1 to 3 inches of rain showing up there in southern Smith County. You can see, yeah, of course it is. Highway 69 over to Highway 64. That's where some of the heaviest rain fell. Walnut Grove about 2.8 inches. But you look over here, western Rusk County, not quite as much, especially in these areas highlighted in the blue. Still pretty good rain from Kilgore down to Henderson there in the green. But you look further off to the south, not much at all. Look at this. Trinity, Houston County. I mean, there were some areas that saw up to a ½ inch if you were lucky between Lovelady and Crockett. And then we had some trace amounts of rain there in Angelina and Cherokee County. Not quite done with the rain yet. Still a couple of garden variety showers around. Most of the thunderstorm activity has begun to quiet down. You can see those storms from Dangerfield down to Lone Star and into Lake of the Pines. This continues to move off to the west, and with that, the rain chances will ultimately come to an end. Clear skies right there in Tyler. Temperature at about 74 degrees. Winds are southeast at 18 miles per hour. 67 at Mount Pleasant because of a shower that moved through earlier. 66 in Pittsburgh. Smith County almost in the clear from that rain. Upper 60s and lower 70s. Mount Enterprise is at 68. It is 71 in Nacogdoches. 69 in Huntington, 71 at Groveton, 69 in Kennard. So tonight we'll fall to a low of about 62. A few passing clouds, especially after midnight. And I do think a lot of that humidity will kind of be taken out of the equation, but return for tomorrow with those highs back into the upper 70s and lower 80s. So here's satellite and radar. We've got a dry line out to the west, and there's also a cold front further off to the west. And both of those will combine for some lift that will be needed to initiate those showers and thunderstorms as we move into Thursday, which, by the way, relatively elevated area of a slight risk that we will have to monitor. We'll talk about what that all means in just a second. But Wednesday, maybe a shower or two. But again, I don't think all of us will see the rain, kind of like today. But again, as we move into about 5 o'clock Wednesday, we start to see a few breaks in the clouds. The atmosphere recharges Thursday morning, and that will eventually lead to a few bubble-up showers and thunderstorms as we move into your Thursday. This is about 5 o'clock Thursday afternoon, and you can see some individual cells. So we're going to have to watch this as new model run becomes available to us, because we could be looking at some pretty widespread showers and thunderstorms. Storm Prediction Center already highlighting a level 2 slight risk of severe weather for most of East Texas, and then that does shift off to the south, more so for southeast Texas as opposed to us on Friday, but deep East Texas still included in that slight risk of severe weather. Next 7 days, 80s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We'll be tracking those rain chances and storm chances for that matter Thursday into Friday. Plenty of sunshine Saturday and Sunday with highs only in the 60s this weekend. 72 Monday, 76 on Tuesday. Deep East Texas, similar trend, might be slightly warmer for the weekend, and then we'll be tracking additional rain chances Monday